Hello, this is experiment 2, making table salt NaCl from baking soda NaHCO3. The two chemicals we're going to use today is one, sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3. We're going to mix it with hydrochloric acid HCl, about 20 drops. But before that, we need to weigh out our sample. Okay, so we're going to have 3 trials, and I'm only going to do 1 trial, and I'll give you the data for the other 2. So the first step is we're going to add some boiling chips to this test tube, which will help the reaction move forward. So I'm going to add a couple of boiling chips. To our test tube of interest, and then we're going to weigh its mass. Okay, so this is our analytical balance. I first put a place beaker in here so that we can put the test tube in. I press this button T, which will zero our beaker. So now I'm going to put in our test tube, which has our boiling chips. And I'll ask you to write this number to 2 decimal places. The number is 23.84 grams. Now I'm going to add some sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. I've already taken some out, and I'm just going to add it. I'm going to weigh it, and I'm going to ask you to write this number down. And the mass is 24.17 grams. So we've added our NaHCO3, and now we're going to add some HCl to this. So I'm going to come up a bit closer. So again, HCl, we're going to add about 20 to 30 drops until all of this dissolves. And you'll hear some, or you'll see some fizzing and some bubbling. And we want to keep adding until all of this solid has disappeared. So again, you notice some bubbling. The solid dissolves, and the bubbles are the CO2 that is coming off. Okay, so now that we've done the reaction, we're going to go over to the Bunsen burner to burn off the water.